And welcome to today's video. This is another B1 level grammar lesson, and today we're going to be looking at using the future combined with present simple. So see if you can describe this picture. So what time does the train leave? This looks like 14:45. And let's see footnote tonight. What time does the last session of footnote start this evening? Well, footnote starts at 9:45. So using the present simple for scheduled events, we can use the present simple to describe events in the future on a timetable, schedule, program, etc. So the sentence structure is the subject plus the verb plus the time in the future. So the plane leaves at 14:45. The TV show starts at 9:45 p.m. All right, so now match the following nouns with actions. So the train departs in 15 minutes. The show ends at 10 p.m. and the meeting begins at 9 a.m. every morning. Here, the plane lands at 10 p.m. tonight. The ship departs the port at 9 p.m. and the shopping mall opens every morning at 9 a.m. Now, see if you can make your own sentences based on these pictures. All right, so we're going to look at Jen's timetable and then answer the questions. So we have her Monday schedule and her Tuesday schedule. So what time does science end on Monday? So science ends at 11 a.m. on Monday. She has science from 9 to 11, math from 11 to 12, lunch from 12 to 1, and then gym from 1 to 3, and then history at 3. All right, now fill in the sentences below. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Hurry up, the bus departs in 15 minutes. Have you packed your bags? Make sure you are on time. The performance starts at 8 p.m. sharp. The meeting ends at 9 p.m. I can be home by 9:30 p.m. Her train arrives at 7 p.m. tomorrow evening. Let's go to meet her when she gets here. We need to leave soon. The film begins at 7 p.m. The film ends at 9 p.m. After the film, we can go for dinner. Let's begin packing. The train leaves at 10 p.m. tonight. You don't have enough time to watch that TV program as it finishes at 9:30 p.m. Now we can use the present simple in the question form to ask questions in the future about a timetable or schedule. So what time does the train leave today? What time is the movie tonight? What time does school finish tomorrow? So these are all in the simple present tense. All right, so now see if you can practice asking some questions in the present simple future. So what time does the plane land? What time does the ship sail? And what time does the mall open? All right, now fill in the questions below using one of the verbs from the boxes. Remember to put it to the correct verb tense. We are running out of time. When does the movie begin? Don't worry, I will pick you up from the office. What time does your meeting end tonight? I will pick you up from the train station. What time does the train arrive? A present simple can be used for future plans if they are fixed, like a timetable, but the continuous form is more natural. So the train leaves at 9 a.m. tomorrow, science class ends at 2 p.m., her flight leaves at 5 p.m. tonight. In the present continuous, I am eating dinner with Mike and Sue tonight. They are leaving early tomorrow morning. She is arriving late tonight. All right, so now pick the correct verb form. So they are driving to Montreal on Saturday morning. What time does the movie begin? The movie ends at 7 p.m. tonight. The kids are watching TV tonight. They don't have homework. What time does the bus leave for New York City tonight? The concert starts very early tonight. Don't be late. The morning meeting begins at 8 a.m. every morning. It is important to be on time. And they are meeting their best friends for dinner tomorrow night. We are going fishing tomorrow. They are starting school tomorrow. They are excited for their first day. The football game ends early tonight. Don't be late to pick up the kids. And my music lesson starts late tonight. I will leave at 8 p.m. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.